We are at the Acacia apartments in Denver. And we've got this beautiful set of old elevators. A beautiful old lobby. Last time I was here, these were having a little bit of issues, but it seems like it's running better. Well, I mean, there's just one. The other one was completely removed. Fully original. Look at that, the old door closer. Doesn't seem to work though, the old gate. Probably that was meant to have tension to keep the gate shutting on, or to pull the gate shut by tension. All right, up to 3. Single speed. All right, down to B. All right, we'll take another ride or two. These things are really cool, or this thing. I keep saying these because there's 2 doors, but the other elevator, the car, rails, motor, controller, everything. It is literally just a completely empty shaft next to this. All that's left are the doors. There's the old Otis logo down there. Add it again. Well, we'll do one more up to 3 and then back to 1. Here is the certificate. All right. Let's watch it go. Very single speed. All right, back to 1. Now we might, sometimes this stops so under level that you can't open the door. So what you have to do, because you notice the retiring cam has completely passed the little switch. So I could just unlock it that way, but I would need 2 hands. But I'll show you the more fun way of doing it too. So you select a higher floor, and then e-stop it. And then of course turn the e-stop back off. And now The retiring cam's in the right place. The elevator is about level with the floor, and I can actually open it.
Just about level is perfect.
Not kidding. No, I got it pretty right on the dot there.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll watch Liam ride up.
Alright, this is an elevator, a really cool building in Denver.
This is called the Acacia.
The Acacia, Denver, Colorado.
All right, bye, Liam.
See you later.
Go down, then up. There he goes. Now we're gonna watch him go up. He might be sitting there for a minute. There's the counterweight. There. You can see there used to be windows in the hoistway as well, but they painted over them. And then you can kind of see just enough into the hoistway for the second car. And you can see there is literally nothing in it. It is empty, dead empty. There it comes back down. Maybe I can be sneaky and call him up. Nah. Here's the old mailbox. The key's been drilled, and it is in the locked position. Let's see how he got it. Not too bad.
Close enough.
Anyway. That will be it for this awesome elevator. We'll get one last look at this panel. Very cool.
Be uploading this for another 3
Yeah.
years.
Yeah, no kidding. That's it.